Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia Hernandez. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. And for today's video, I bring you this look right here. I did this look only with cruelty-free makeup products. I've been using non-cruelty-free makeup products for a while now just because I want to get rid of them. But today I decided to create this look using only cruelty-free makeup, just because I haven't used this makeup in a while and I love the makeup products that I will be using today. If you want to know how I got this look using only cruelty-free makeup products and cruelty-free brushes and makeup and beauty sponges, then keep on watching. First cruelty-free makeup product that I'm going to use is by Smashbox. This is Photo Finish Foundation Primer, oil-free and pore minimizing, and I'm just going to apply this on my hands and I'm going to warm it up a little bit, and then I'm just going to place this or dab it across my cheeks and in my nose, wherever I have large pores and I want to minimize my pores. So that's where I'm going to apply it, and I'm just going to gently dab it across that area. Next, I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This is Radiance with hyaluronic acid. I think I totally butchered that. But it's some kind of, I don't know, something in it. But it makes my face radiant and, you know, shiny, glowy. That's what I want for this look. So that's what I'm going to apply. I'm just going to apply this all over my face gently. Now I'm going to apply foundation. This is called Light Illusion Luminous Makeup Nude Skin Feel. This is by Flower Beauty. It's owned by Drew Barrymore. She's an actress. Anyways, and this is in Soft Sand M2, and I'm just gonna apply this with my green Eco Tools beauty sponge, and the Eco Tools brush line is actually cruelty free. On the packaging they have the little leaping, it's not a leaping bunny, but it's a bunny, just like Wet n Wild has a bunny. It's the same bunny. So yeah, it's cruelty free, and I'm gonna use this to apply my foundation. And also I'm gonna apply the foundation on my neck. I'm gonna bring the foundation down on my neck so it can all be one even color. I'm going to apply concealer. This is this is Urban Decay, and the concealer is called Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer, and I'm going to apply light neutral. That's the color of it. And according to the website, they are cruelty free and they are committed to ending animal testing. And I just really love this concealer. It's full coverage and just feels like a very good quality, and it stays put for several hours. And yeah, I have nothing bad to say about this concealer. Another cruelty-free makeup product that I have is also by Flower Beauty. This is setting setting spray, Seal the Deal setting spray. It's long-lasting matte finish, and it's in this lavender packaging, super cute. And now I'm showing you the Anastasia pomade. This is an ash brown, and I'm gonna spray the setting spray directly onto the pomade because it's dry and crispy, and that just brings it out to life. And I'm gonna use my spoolie to get the product out from the packaging. Now I'm going to apply the pomade onto my eyebrows, and this is of course Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is cruelty free, and I really love their eyebrow products. It's super easy to use, and I love the product. It's it doesn't transfer to anywhere, you know, like your clothes or other people. But yeah, it's really good product. It has longevity. Another cruelty-free makeup product that I'm gonna use is by Wet n Wild, and this is a concealer, but I'm gonna use it as to contour my face. And this is in color or in tone dark cocoa 845B, and I'm just going to contour my cheeks and my nose with it. To blend out the contour, I'm going to use the Equal Tools Green Beauty Sponge. And as you can see, I love this concealer because it's super easy to blend out and it doesn't go anywhere. It just stays where you applied it. So I really like this concealer. Now I'm going to set in my foundation, and I'm going to use this ELF, or L for short, Cosmetic Setting Powder. And this is a drugstore brand. It's super affordable. And again, I'm going to use the sharp edge from the EcoTools Green Beauty Sponge to set the foundation on my cheeks. Even though it is affordable, I really like the quality of it. It doesn't leave my face chalky or dry. It actually mattifies my face and sets in the concealer and foundation. Now I'm showing you this small blending brush from Tarte Cosmetics. And Tarte is a popular makeup brand, and it's available at Sephora and I think Ulta as well. And Tarte Cosmetics, they do not test on animals. It's certified cruelty-free by PETA's Beauty Without Bunnies program. So it's amazing brand, and I love the brushes. So it is easy to use and easy to clean. Now I'm going to prime my eyes with Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is an original, and it's super cute primer. And I'm showing you the wand. And I'm just gonna place the primer using the wand on my lids. And don't get any on your lashes like I did. It's messy and it's hard to take off, so just be careful with it. And I'm just gonna place the primer on my eyelids to before applying the eyeshadow, because this is going to make my eyeshadow more pigmented and just last longer throughout the day. Now I'm going to use one of my favorite drugstore brands. This is by Physicians Formula Butter Eyeshadow Palette. And this is amazing because it's paraben free, cruelty free, gluten free, oil free, and it's really great for your skin, and I just love Physicians Formula. And these eyeshadows are easy to work with. They're pigmented, of course. And, well, to set in the primer, I use the light skin tone color from the palette. And I'm showing you the earthy brown, and I'm going to use a cruelty-free Anastasia Beverly Hills double-ended brush to apply the earthy brown on my outer V area. Now I'm going to use the e.l.f. Cosmetics Blending Eye Brush in small circular motions to blend out the Physicians Formula earthy brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to also blend it outwards. Now I'm going to use a Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, a large eyeshadow brush, to pack in the bronzy gold shadow from the Physicians Formula Butter eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to pack this onto my lid. Now I'm going to highlight my eyebrow bone with the shadow that I just showed you with the Makeup Academy Cosmetics crease brush, and this is drugstore brand. It's also cruelty free. I'm going to combine that dark brown with the white from the Physicians eyeshadow palette. I'm going to combine them both, and I'm going to apply this on my outer lid area and just to darken it up a little bit. And I'm gonna apply this with the Wet n Wild pencil brush. This is from the rose gold brush set, and I'm also going to apply that on my lower lash line. On my waterline, I'm going to apply NYX white pencil just gently across my lid, just to brighten up my eye, make them look bigger. And I'm going to clean up the area around my eye with foundation, and I'm going to use a beauty sponge to dab that line across my face just to blend it out. Before applying mascara, I'm going to curl my lashes. And for mascara, I'm going to use the LA Girl Flashy Mascara. It's cruelty free and also a drugstore, super affordable, but I really like the quality of the mascara. It's not bad, especially because of the price point. It's like $4.99, and I like the wand, easy to apply on my lower lashes and upper lashes. One of my favorite cruelty-free makeup brands is Becca. I'm gonna use the Becca and Khloe and Malika Bronze, Blush, and Glow palette, and I'm going to use this to bronze up my face. And I'm going to use this fan brush by Makeup Academy fan brush, and I'm going to sweep this across my cheekbones, and I'm going to use the Tarte Cosmetics blending brush to apply the bronzer on my nose as well. Now I'm going to apply blush from the Becca Cosmetics Khloe Malika palette, and I'm going to use this Wet n Wild powder brush to apply that blush across my cheeks. Now I'm going to highlight my high points of my cheekbones using the Glow Up Soft Focus highlighter, and I'm going to use my Bare Minerals large blending brush. Bare Minerals is also one of my favorite cruelty-free makeup brands. I'm also going to highlight my nose bridge using Beauty Professional Cosmetics brush. This is a detailed brush, and I'm just going to highlight my cupid's bow and on top of my eyebrow area, the high points of my eyebrow. Like I said, the Beauty Professional Cosmetics is actually cruelty free. I looked it up on online, and I'm also going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes using the same highlighter. And now I'm going to use the Tarte Cosmetics matte lipstick. This is mini, it's a sample size. This is in Fetch CF11. So that is it for the video, you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you learned anything today, please like this video, comment down below which makeup products are your favorite, and if you like more of these looks, just let me know down below. So any cruelty-free makeup recommendations are appreciated. Just comment down below which are your favorite and which cruelty-free makeup products you use for your makeup. And I hope you take care, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up.